Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView calculator. This powerful tool helps you quickly assess potential trades directly on your charts. You can easily find it within the charting interface, often labeled as the measure tool. It's designed to give you clear insights into risk and reward, making your trading decisions more informed and efficient. Let's dive into the specifics of how to set it up and interpret its results. Once you've selected the measure tool, the next step is to configure your trade parameters. You'll need to clearly define your entry price, where you plan to open your position. Then, set your stop-loss level to manage potential downside risk. Finally, indicate your target profit price. The calculator will then instantly display crucial metrics like your risk-reward ratio, helping you visualize the trade's potential. After setting your parameters, the TradingView calculator provides several key metrics. You'll see the potential profit or loss expressed in pips or points, giving you a precise measure of price movement. It also shows the monetary value of these potential gains or losses, helping you understand the financial impact. Most importantly, the risk-reward ratio is clearly presented, for example, as 1 to 2, indicating your potential profit is twice your potential loss. To maximize your use of the TradingView calculator, remember its versatility. It's effective across various asset classes, from stocks to cryptocurrencies. You can quickly adjust your entry, stop-loss, and target prices to explore different trade scenarios in real time. Make this tool a regular part of your pre-trade analysis to consistently evaluate risk and reward, enhancing your overall trading strategy and decision-making process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.